welcome to my channel. It's Fergie Blog. I am here with just a beautiful eyeshadow look that I think is budget friendly and oh so wearable. And I just was thrilled with this find. It's a drugstore find, and you guys noticed it in my Sephora Best Under $25 video. And you're like, ooh, pretty eyeshadow. Can you give us a tutorial? And I'm like, sure. Actually, it was wearing these Essence I Flirt. Well, yes, I can. Yes, I can, and I flirt. So these giant palettes, they are 24 shades each, and there's 3 of them. I have 2 of them. So this is the natural look. I think I was wearing the party look. I think this is the one I was wearing in the video. Yes, it's called the party look, and it has got wonderful like purples and violets and browns and golds and I mean soft golds and pinks, and they're just so soft. They're pigmented, but not like crazy pigmented, and they're not powdery or chalky. They're really, really beautiful. And let's look at the natural look one. I loved it so much I went back and bought another one. There's one that's like rock and roll look or something, and I think that has more cool tones. This one, there's maybe a little bit of redundancy in terms of similar shades, like, you know, it's not like I'm going to be able to do without 2 kinds of brown like that. But I do love the fact that all these sort of mocha kind of vanilla shades there's so many to choose from. And I've not really had any Essence eyeshadows before. I've had a few, 1 or 2 of their little ones, and they're nice, but I wasn't like thrilled with them. And this time I think I'm thrilled. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna go with the natural look one today. And I'm not gonna really swatch it a ton for you because that will take forever, 24 shades, but I will swatch some of them for you. So let's do this, it's the bottom row on here, but it's the top row in the palette. And this is called Be Unique. And I guess I'm not gonna swatch it all over my body like Toddy, but maybe when I review her palette I will. Also, I already put foundation on, so I'm not gonna do it today, but one of these days I'm just gonna start swatching all over my face. Like Wayne Goss. All right, and then let's try this. This is called Do My Best. And it's kind of like the shade I just swatched you, but it's metallic. Those are really pretty. And then the one next to that is called Just Do It, and it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. So let's see if it's duochrome, if it's just a spray over. Like, what is your deal? It's definitely kind of a duochrome. Ooh, and it's soft, and it's not glittery. I kind of thought it would be glittery. That's really nice. Okay. The next one, ooh, let's do this Make It Happen. This is a very kind of a creamy creme brulee shade. And it's the exact color of my skin. It's, you can't see it. It does look nice though. It's kind of funny. Do It Again is this dark cocoa brown. So let's see here. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna be playing with those. I will show you some of these party look shadows just so you can see them. Like, for instance, this guy here at Midnight, so pretty. Kind of an icy plum. Kind of this like pale gray mauve. Very light, but not like in a bad way, because like, you know, I mean, it is kind of just disappears on my skin. All right, so we're gonna do Be Unique. Be unique. Be unique. I wasn't even a cheerleader and I'm getting cheerleader vibes. People say they thought, they're like, oh, I think you would be a cheerleader in high school. No, I was a drama nerd. You kidding me? I mean, I wanted to do cheer. They wouldn't let me. I didn't try out. I was too scared. Plus, can you see me doing stunts? But I could dance. All right, Rebecca, that's enough. It's not as bright, or I should say it's not as deep as I thought it would be. It's actually brighter. Oh, hang on. I might have tapped off a little more than I realized. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna take a pencil brush into Do It For Love, which is a sparkly, what would we call this? Ruby. What I did for love. Sorry. I just feel like for the price, and even not for the price, like I feel like these kind of stand up to other shadows that cost more money. I'm gonna go into Be Myself, which is a little more champagne. That's what we're gonna do. Feels like a rainbow. All right, so I kind of stayed in, so I'm gonna go with Be a Winner, which is, you guys know the drink Tequila Sunrise? I've pretty much created that on my lid right now. It's like tequila juice, cranberry, tequila, cranberry juice, and orange juice, right? Going into Be Unique, which was our first shade. And that's what we're gonna use the point for. We're gonna ground it. We're gonna put this dark brown, which is called Be a Legend. I need to. It's not as dark as I thought. This Be a Legend. Okay, I'm a little surprised. Let's try the shade Do It Dark. Just never know if that one's a little more, also more matte. So that's good. Then it doesn't look like my eyes are just like floating red balls. I'm putting setting spray on my brush. And I'm just painting this. Oh, hang on. Should have worked that. I feel like I have very pronounced corners of my eyes. Mascara. Damn, girl. I know. Okay, I'm gonna do more mascara and my lipstick and I'll be right back. So you guys know I am wearing Flower Beauty Naked Blush Matte Lipstick. I forgot about my Flower Beauty lipsticks and I really like them. And the matte, they go on gotta kind of work it, but they're very nice. So what do you guys think of the eyeshadow? Woo. I mean, I didn't want to just kind of throw on some taupe and mushroom shades and call it good for you. I wanted to give you a full course dinner and show you lots of colors, and yeah, but I'm very impressed with this Essence. You did good. Okay, alrighty guys, alright, thanks so much. So I will list below these palettes, everything I used today, and I really appreciate your views and your subscription. Sounds like I'm a magazine, but you know what I mean. And I appreciate the comments and the thumbs up and all of that. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.